Everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install WPS Office in your computer in a very simple way. WPS Office is a lightweight office suite with full .docx and .xlsx support, and it's a very simple to download. What you have to do first, you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option, simply search for WPS Office. Click on that. And after that, you're going to get the first website from here. If you click on that, then you're going to get the first option, free download. Click on that and simply click on the download option, and the exe file is directly downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab, and from here you can simply say it's downloading right now. It's about 347 MB. It will take some more seconds to complete. For that, keep your patience. And as you can see right now, your WPS Office has finished installation. So now if you click on this start later or okay thanks, it is going to open the WPS Office in your computer. As you can see right now, here it is, it's rightly open. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install WPS Office in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.